Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on assistive touch in your iPhone 16. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 16 and you are wondering how to turn on assistive touch. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone 16 settings section. After click over there, you will find here something say accessibility. After click over accessibility, you will see screen appear just like this. You just scroll down and then we will find there something say touch. After click over touch, if you decide to turn on assistive touch, you need to click here assistive touch and you can simply turn this on. Now you can see I successfully turned on assistive touch in my iPhone 16. So in this simple way, you can easily turn on assistive touch in your iPhone 16. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.